Many are really interested in this question. Can a damaged head gasket be repaired? Look at this gasket on the screen. You can see these are the places where the head gasket has blown. Even the ring has blown. So the head gasket is actually bad. Let me turn it to the other side. You can also see this side too. There's a blown sign there. So about four places like that, the air gasket has usually blown. You can also see even the ring on this side too is also blown. Can the air, can this air gasket be repaired? The answer is no. I mean no. You need to replace it. Well, some can tell you that you can use gum, but don't do that. Doing that is a waste of time, it's a waste of material. With time, there's going to be compression leakage and also fluid leaking. When you have a blown head gasket and you notice it, you need to replace it. For example, when this head gasket blown, this is what happened inside the sun. The oil become watery because coolant start to mix with the engine oil as a result of blown head gasket. So when you have a blown head gasket, I'm going to suggest that you replace the head gasket rather than thinking of repairing it. You cannot repair a head gasket. When it has blown, it has blown. You need to replace it. So at this point, you can see those points I'm pointing at. Some can start to put gum, but when you do that, in no time, the leakage will start coming. The compression will start leaking. So when you see sign like this on a head gasket, what should you do? You should go for replacement, not repair. If you go for replacement, there is certainty that you surely have a sound engine and your engine will come back to normal. If you're not subscribed to my channel, please do and share this video to others so that they too can enjoy what you are enjoying. See you in my next video where I talk about more on head gasket.